My name is Joshua, and in this video I will unbox this brand new board game called Speed Colors Memorize, Cover, Repeat. It's a fun and fast game. And in this real-time game of cranial wits and artistic reflexes, you need the memory of an elephant and the speed of a cheetah. You will memorize, cover, and score. Stay inside the lines and use the right colors to earn the most points. And I will unbox the game right now. Let's see what game components inside the box right now. It comes with the game instruction booklet, how to show you how to play the game and how to score at the end of the game. It comes with the game cards. These cards are probably for the scoring, and these cards are different, and each of the cards have different pictures on these cards, and you will cover with these dry erase markers, and if you do it correctly, you will earn the most points. And it comes with 6 different dry erase markers: yellow, green, orange, red, blue, and purple. That's the end of our unboxing video. If you want to know how to play the game, you will have to go to my next video. And my name is Joshua, and I will see you in my next video to show you how to play the actual game. Goodbye.